Pandango sa Ilaw. Pandango sa Ilaw is a Philippine folk dance which has become popular in the rural areas of the Philippines. This dance originated from Lokbang Island, Mindoro during the 1930s. Women used their oil lamps to guide fishermen back to the shore. This dance is related to Fandango, a Spanish folk dance which arrived in the Philippines during the Hispanic period. It is a playful folk dance that showcases a unique fusion of local and Western indigenous dance forms. It's performed during festivities, religious rituals, and special occasions. It's also generally danced in couples. The girl, called Pantanguera, dances holding 3 oil lamps called the Tinghoy. Dancers perform barefooted. For the women, they can wear patadyong, mestiza, Filipiniana, or plain dress. For the men, they can wear camisa chino or barong Tagalog and pants. Here are props used in Pandango sa Ilaw. 3 oil lamps called Tinghay. Can use candles and glasses. Sometimes, modern lamps are used to prevent any accident of fire. Here are the basic steps in Pandango sa Ilaw. Number 1, waltz. Number 2, waltz with handsway. Number 3, turn. Number 4, saludo. Number 5, waltz, handsway with light. Number 6, cross step. Number 7, waltz with spin. Number 8, point turning wrist. Number 9, side step with turning wrist. Number 10, kneel with turning wrist. And for the last step, waltz with handsway with light. Here is the performance of Pandango sa Ilaw. Thank you for watching / listening to my voiceover / presentation.